Hey learning fellows, welcome back to my channel. So today in this class we're gonna learn about polygon means today in this class we're gonna learn lasso tool. So are you excited? I'm too. And I didn't came for so many days because I was having my exam so I couldn't focus. And I've heard that I had 655 subscribers. Now I have only have 647 subscribers. So please go and click on the subscribe button because now I'm gonna upload every Saturday, Sunday. If not, I'm gonna upload any of the weekdays because I have my holidays now. So let's begin. So in this class, we're gonna learn about lasso tool. In our last class, we learned about marquee tool, rectangular marquee tool, and elliptical marquee tool. And we learned about add to like selection tool, add to selection, subtract to selection, intersect with selection. And we even learned some like basic things about feathers. Okay? So in this class we're gonna learn about lasso tool. Basically, lasso tool makes a fresh hand selection. If you are good in a lasso tool, that's great of you. Like this is my lasso tool, and you can like anything you can draw with your hand, and then that thing comes to like a selection. You can even do the same with like add to selection, and you can like subtract from selection, and you can even see you can like you can even intersect with selection. Can you see? So it controlling. So basically lasso tool has this, it's just good with, if you are good with lasso tool, that's great because lasso tool is sometimes makes a wrong turn and it's for rough work only. So the next tool we're gonna learn is our polygonal lasso. I basically had some samples so that I can explain you guys. So polygonal lasso tool. Basically what this polygonal lasso tool does, it makes a straight line. Like for example, I'm doing this and this. Can you see a O under like a zero or a circle under the symbol of polygonal lasso tool? Where it means that this is your endpoint. If you click it, your selection will begin. So like I'm gonna click and if you did a mistake, you can click on backspace and you can move your cursor. Look, it's backspace. Now, look, my collection is done. Control backspace for foreground and control D. Did you see that? I hope you understand this now. Okay? So now, the next selection. And yeah, before explaining, I'm going to take out this so that I can explain you more nicely. So basically, this is my lasso tool. I think you couldn't see it. So can you see it? You can even put the things by your own. You can even make your own workspace. Okay? So this is our polygonal lasso tool which makes a straight line. And this example I have, like I'm gonna click over here. And if you don't want to like click it like this and make a like strange line, you can click on shift. Like for example, I'm gonna click on shift. Look, wherever I'm moving, it's just making a straight line. And if you want a horizontal, click shift. And it can also make a diagonal, but straight. I'm gonna use this shift, but I don't need shift over here because if I do it over here, it's just gonna make a diagonal line really far away. And yeah, I can even come out of the like box. Shift. Look, another O is coming and I'm gonna click it. My selection is begin. Now, as I have this layer panel over here, if you don't have this layer panel like over here or like somewhere over here, so you can go in Windows. In Windows, you can get any tool you want. I'm gonna go in Window panel. This is my Windows. Yep. Where's my window panel? Just move it down, and you don't need to worry because it has it is in alphabetical order, so you don't need to worry. And where's my layers? Look, here's my layers. I'm gonna click it, and look, you got one more layer. If you don't have over here. So in my background, I'm gonna Control J for copying my selection, and when I'm gonna hide in this, so look, it has removed the background, and you can actually do this for removing the background of an object. Okay, but what if you don't like select anything and you just do Control J? Like I'm gonna click Control J, so it just basically copied the whole background and it turned it into a layer. So it's also sometimes useful, but take care, okay? And if you drag the picture and you can go over here, okay? So the next tool is magnetic lasso tool. Basically, what does magnetic lasso tool does? It basically automatically detects the colors. So for example, I'm gonna like Alter minus, and I'm clicking on Alter and the scrolling wheel. When you move your scrolling wheel downwards, it zooms out, and when you move your scrolling wheel upwards, it zooms in. And now you must be thinking that how am I using my hand tool without even clicking it directly? I'm just basically clicking on space. Look, you can use that actually. Okay, so I'm gonna move it over here, and now I'm gonna click over here. So look, it's detecting the color smartly, and I can even do work with it really quickly. Space. One more time, space. And yeah, if you did like a mistake like this, so you can do the same. You can click on backspace. You need to make your hand flexible on this, okay? Because if you do a mistake, it's gonna be hard on you. Like for example, I'm doing it on purpose so that I can explain you later. And yeah, I have a solid color, that's why it's working more nicely. And if you don't have a solid color, I'm gonna tell you how you're gonna do it. Look, another O is here. That means my selection is wrong. I'm not doing the leaf right now. I'm just gonna show you this. Control J. And look, I move it over here and it's back. So now, I'm good. So this is it. So I hope you loved today's class. We learned about lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool. In our next class, we're gonna learn about anti-alias and more about. Okay. So I hope you loved today's class about lasso tool and polygonal lasso tool and magnetic lasso tool. So I hope you guys loved today's class. In the next class, we're gonna learn about more about selections. But for this class, it's it. So I hope you loved today's class. So keep watching, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button, and don't forget to share it to your friends. Bye.